What if that sugar-free drink you reach for every day could be quietly harming your DNA? A new study from North Carolina shows that a compound formed when your body processes sucralose, called sucralose 6-acetate, can damage human DNA. Researchers tested human cells and lab-grown gut tissue, mapping DNA damage, gut barrier changes, and gene activity caused by this compound. Susan Schiffman, lead author, calls sucralose 6-acetate genotoxic, meaning it can trigger DNA mutations. The compound isn't just formed in your gut, it's also present in trace amounts in some store-bought sucralose. Rats dosed with sucralose retained these metabolites in fat and excreted them in urine and feces, hinting that the effects may persist in the body. In lab-grown gut tissue, the compound made the intestinal barrier leakier, letting larger molecules pass through. It also caused DNA strand breaks and chromosome damage, confirmed with multiple assays. Signals that the compound is clastogenic. Even trace levels matter. One sweetened drink a day could exceed Europe's regulatory threshold for genotoxic substances. Regulatory limits currently focus on sucralose itself, not its impurities or gut-made byproducts, suggesting new safety reviews may be needed. The pattern of effects, DNA damage, leaky gut, altered gene activity, was consistent across several lab systems, though real human trials are still needed. Researchers call for studies tracking real-world exposure, including blood levels, urine markers, and gut barrier function in people who consume sucralose daily. For now, small changes can reduce potential risk. Choosing water or unsweetened options and discussing diet with your doctor if you take medications processed by liver enzymes. The takeaway? Sucralose may not be as harmless as once thought, and modern science is just beginning to uncover its hidden effects on our DNA. Subscribe to LG News to explore more hidden truths about the foods and drinks we consume every day.